For most Americans, living in San Diego would be a dream come true. But for those who have made that dream a reality, we understand that it comes with a heavy price tag. From the cost of living to the traffic and gas prices, the California lifestyle takes a heavy toll on the human body and psyche. Sometimes our best is just not good enough, and we need help maintaining our mental and physical health. That's when we turn to Dr. Leland.
We had a week left leg before. Bend your leg, pull your foot to your butt, please. Foot to your butt and pull. Fantastic. How much better is that? So much better. Inside here, pull with my hand. Here, pull. Good. Push to the outside, push out.
It was
Yep.
not ouchies
Yep.
like it was.
Up, lift up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh, that didn't hurt as bad.
And is your back hurting when you're laying down?
No.
And how bad was your back when you were laying down before?
Oh my God, I couldn't even lay down.
Yeah,
Got
you
a
couldn't lay
pinched
down.
nerve.
Mm-hmm. And now?
Muscle spasms. Now
Yeah.
I feel almost normal.
Feeling normal. That's good.
Oh God, that's amazing.
Huge change. Michelle, turn your head to your right. Turn your head to your right.
Oh,
Look
my
right.
head
Look right.
to my right.
Look here. Look right.
This
Brad Pitt's to your right. Thank you. Good.
one. Sorry.
Turn your head to your left. Antonio Banderas is to your left. There you go. Good.
Okay.
Thank you. Good. Back to center now. Back to center. Good. Beautiful. Good. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I'm just so excited I can't even think right from
I'm
left.
so excited. Can't even think.
Oh.
Love to hear that. Awesome. Okay. All right. Coming up. Have a seat. Wonderful. Good. Right. Arm up, push up, up. Good. Push up again. Good. Push up. Good.
Oh my God.
When we had your neck was
I couldn't even.
you couldn't even lift it
I
up?
couldn't do that.
Yeah.
No, I couldn't.
Chin down to your chest, look down, push down here, push down.
Oh, that's so much
Remember how weak
better.
that was, right?
Yeah, I
Yep.
couldn't do it.
Down, push down. Super
Oh
strong.
my
Good.
God.
Chin down, push down.
Did you do that?
Good.
You're
Excellent.
amazing.
Good. Turn your head to your right, turn right and hold. Good. Turn left, hold. Much better. Push back here, push back. Beautiful, good. Turn and push back. Good. Good.
Wow.
Come up to your feet, walk around.
I'm a new person.
Take your body for a test drive.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it doesn't hurt. It used to hurt me right here. Like when I stepped, I could feel the muscle pulling right here.
Yep.
You know, when
Yep.
I walk right here.
Yep.
Yeah.
And now?
I feel so
Walk,
much
try
better.
to see if you walk normally. Walk as if you
Yeah,
did
like no more ouchies. No more ouchies. Okay, you said don't go run, right?
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
We will get you there. We will get you there.
It's
High
exciting.
five. You
You're
rock.
amazing.
You rock.
Thank
You rock.
Oh, that was awesome. You're so awesome.
You are awesome. I couldn't have done without you.
Oh, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Okay, when do I get to come back?
Tomorrow if you want to.
So what's gonna hurt me?
You might feel some soreness in the neck and the back.
Okay.
Yeah. You might. Yeah. Might be like an after gym workout. Yeah.
Oh. Now, you know when someone cracks your back, what's the difference? Like yours felt totally specific.
Specific.
To
Yeah, it's more specific.
a certain
Yeah.
part. and
Yes.
got
More
rid of-
specific.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
When they just crack your back,
It's
it just.
general. Yeah. And
it
be
doesn't-
more specific to what your body needs.
Oh my God.
It's like when you're craving sushi, you just can't get.
Oh my
It's
God,
like
I know.
you like there are certain dishes you want,
Yes.
or if you're craving Italian, like let's just get Domino's.
Yeah.
Like well,
No, that's
it's not it. You want
Yeah.
like salad
Mhm.
caprese, right? You want
Yeah.
specific things. So I'm delivering what your body needs specifically, and we can test. Remember how I said we're going to test
Yes.
before and after?
Yes.
You saw all the things that weren't working properly, and now you're going to find the parts that
It's
actually
like a
starting to work
miracle.
better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, not so much of a miracle, but it's like just finding out, okay, we just need to
Feels
turn
like
the
it.
light switches on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hurt me for so many years.
Mhm.
And the popping was like, oh my God, you saved my life.
Yeah, it's like,
And that was a little piece
yeah,
of the puzzle.
it was a big piece of the puzzle.
Yeah.
Big piece of the puzzle. You could have had that on for like 15 years.
Oh,
It's
I'm
just the beginning.
So excited.
Yeah, there's more to come.
Is there any way that I shouldn't move my neck or stretch
No,
so
in
that
fact-
I
in
don't
fact, I w-
hurt it more?
No, in fact, I want you to keep moving as much as possible.
Okay.
Okay? I mean,
Okay.
no, I don't want you to go run a marathon,
Right.
but
Yeah.
but I want you, yeah, but I want you to keep moving. I want you
Okay.
to make sure you're drinking plenty of water.
Yes.
Tonight you're gonna sleep.
Drink a lot of
You're
water.
gonna sleep. If you feel like you gotta crash tonight early,
Yeah.
listen to your body and crash
Yeah.
tonight. I know you have kids.
Oh no, we go to
Okay.
bed at 8 o'clock.
Okay. If you feel like you gotta
Yeah.
crash at like 6 or whatever, or 7, you feel
I'll
like
go
you
to bed.
go to bed. Just
Okay.
like take the body's like,
Fix
I
it.
need the
Mhm.
rest. I
Right,
need.
to heal.
I need to
and
heal.
Better.
Right. You understand as a plasma source, you know the body needs to heal.
Yes.
So your body's gonna continue healing in the next 24, 48, 72 hours. It's gonna keep shifting.
Okay.
So, like I said, you might feel some soreness, but your body's gonna start to heal properly now.
Mm.
It's taken 15 years for you to get here. That's
Yes.
good. And now you're taking a huge step, like, oh my gosh, I can actually start to do
Seriously,
something.
we have tumors.
But no, it won't take 15 years for you to get there. I'm saying it took you 15 years to get to this
I
point
know.
now, and now we're
Well, what if
accelerating.
I never want to leave you though?
You don't have to ever leave
It's
me.
okay.
It's okay, Lee.
good.
Yeah, yeah,
Good.
because we want to make sure we maintain.
Permanent treatment.
No, not permanent. No, don't. It's
Come on, I
the-
want to keep coming
No,
back.
you know,
This
it's-
is the
yeah,
best thing
it's
ever.
but don't look at it as treatment. Look at it as more like maintaining your health.
Oh, okay. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're maintaining your
My
health.
happy place.
Your happy
This
place.
is
Yes.
my happy
This
place.
is happy place. Yes,
this
it
is my
is.
happy place.
Yeah, you're maintaining your health. It's
I
not
found
about.
it.
It's not treatment. It's
Oh my
maintaining
God,
your
I
health.
totally have something.
Yeah. This is my new friend Michelle.
Hi.
Hi. What's your experience like so far?
Unbelievable. Amazing.
I want to.
Stay here forever. Never leave. Feel as good as I do right at this moment for the rest of my life.
What was one you had? What kind of pain?
Everything. Back pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, trouble walking, running, everything. And now I can actually move my arm further and I could reach the floor. And I couldn't reach before.
Yay.
Yay! I'm so
Yay.
excited.